Hello students. In this video, I will be telling you how to earn 50 marks in the subject professional communication or professional skills. As you can see, the course code is 312002. It is for semester 2 diploma engineering K scheme. And we all know that we have performed 12 practicals, and the same 12 practicals you have to come prepared for the final examination of professional communication. Besides this, what is term work, micro project, and how the marks will be allotted, everything will be discussed in this video. So first of all, let's just discuss what are the different practicals that you have to perform under the heading professional communication. As I said, you have formative assessment of the practical, 25 marks, the passing is 10. For this, you should have completed 12 practicals in your journal. If you haven't, obviously you will be detained. As you can see, the red line over here, or the alert come warning in the red color, the same you have to perform. You have to write it down, and you have to get your journal come file of assignments checked. If you have not done it, obviously you will be detained. This is what the scheme which is given in your syllabus also by MSBTE. And this formative assessment should have your term work. Term work means your 12 practicals and your micro project. So if you haven't completed either, obviously you will fail. Then there would be summative assessment of the practical for 25 marks. So for 25 marks, you will be given some written questions. All these questions will be based on the 12 practicals that we have conducted and written in our journal come assignment file. This is very clear. As it is, the questions will be asked. So you have to come prepared all these 12 practicals. Besides that, there would be 10 marks oral examination, and the questions would be definitely asked from the 12 practicals itself. So you should rest assured that if you know all the 12 practicals and if you have performed that very well, definitely you will be scoring maximum marks. And if you were absent, you didn't perform any of the activities in the practicals, you won't be able to answer the questions in oral, which will be for 10 marks, and remaining 15 marks drafting and written examination. The timetable will be displayed, and most probably this examination, summative assessment of practical professional skills, will be conducted during your practical sessions batch wise. So the schedule will be given to you guys, so you come prepared accordingly. Now, what are the practicals that will be asked in oral examination and written come drafting examination of your professional skills final examination, that is summative? Number one, draw a communication cycle using real life example and explain process of communication. Any question based on this will be asked. Listen to audios in the language lab and make notes of it. Already a video has been shared. Such video may be made or played, and you would be made to listen, and then you have to write down the gist of whatever you have listened, or you have to draft whatever you listened. That would be the test. Third one, give presentations or seminars using 7 C's of effective communication. So on any topic, you will be asked to present yourself, or maybe you will be asked to talk about the 7 C's of effective communication that we have discussed during our practical session. Then comes explain the types of note taking with examples and make notes on any one topic related to your curriculum. Straight away question will be asked to prepare notes on any topic of your curriculum, and you should be in the position to make notes the way you have done in your journal come practical. The fifth one is prepare agenda for meeting and draft minutes of the meeting. So whatever meeting you have conducted, the agenda and the minutes of the same meeting you would be asked either to draft or to write down. So you have to come prepared. And in oral examination also, you may be asked what is meant by agenda, what is meant by minutes, how will you give the notice of the business meeting. Then comes draft circulars for the given situations. Already a video has been given to you, different topics on the circular is given to you, the same topic will be asked in examination. Respond to job advertisement referring to newspapers, LinkedIn, write cover letter with resume. You have been given one good example of job application letter, one good example of resume writing. Similar kind of job application and resume you will be expected to either draft or write down in examination. Eighth one, type 4 emails using ethics and etiquettes. You will be simply asked, given a topic on which you are supposed to write an email or draft an email. Write a detailed report on accident or investigation report. So the way I have given you in video of this particular practical, similar kind of topic will be given for accident or investigation report, and at 11th hour you should be in the position to write down that accident or investigation report or draft that accident or investigation report. Prepare a case study related to linguistic barriers, language, pronunciation, punctuation, technical jargon, and suggest remedies for the same. So, whatever practical you have performed, a kind of case study or an example, you will be asked what kind of barrier is there and what would be the solution in this situation. You should be in the position to do this. Draw a flow chart and mind mapping for any topic related to the curriculum. As it is, the question will be asked, which is given in your video of based on this two topics. Any topic of your curriculum related to any course, you should be in the position to draw a flow chart and mind mapping. Then the last practical would be draft complaint and inquiry letter for various situations. As it is, the way I have given you the ready-made specimen of complaint letter and inquiry letter, similar or same question will be asked to you, either to draft or to write it down. So this is how you have to prepare for your term work, 25 marks, and your final examination, summative examination of practical, 25 marks. These 12 practicals will give you 50 marks, so be prepared thoroughly besides your micro project. And this is the last take of the day. Performing every practical with honesty will make you good engineer. Not only that, you will get ample marks if you have performed every practical really sincerely and honest. Good luck. Thank you.